Do you know what kind of car headlight lens can instantly make your beloved car the brightest star on the road at night? Today, I'm going to introduce to you the EX3 Ultra Bright High Beam Headlight Lens, a revolutionary product in the automotive lighting industry. It redefines automotive lighting. With the tear diamond design, a unique black tech feature, it makes the light brighter and more concentrated. It has a high power of 60 West and a high-end 6-2 core configuration, which maximizes the lighting effect. From now on, you can bid farewell to the blurred vision during night driving. Moreover, this lens has made great efforts in reducing light attenuation. It is equipped with a multi-level heat dissipation design. Firstly, there is copper heat dissipation with copper sheets inside, which can conduct heat quickly. There is also an open-type heat dissipation design, with many carefully designed openings. At the bottom, there is a 7-blade silent fan, which significantly improves the heat dissipation efficiency. In the fully opened state, it's luminous. Flux reaches 21,500 lumens, and even when only the low beam is on, it has 9,160 lumens. In terms of customization, it can be DIY customized into left-hand drive models, right-hand drive models, and flat cutoff models. No matter what type of vehicle you have, it can fit perfectly, truly achieving universal compatibility for all vehicle models. It is made of aluminum alloy, which is strong and durable, with a service life of up to 5,000 hours. Once installed, it will accompany you on every journey for a long time. The EX3 Ultra Bright High Beam Headlight Lens is definitely the best choice for upgrading your car's lighting.